Good morning, everybody. This is Joey here from Frankfurt Airport. We're at the main train station. We're going to take the train out to the airport, to Terminal 2. So I hope you enjoyed this little trip. I'm on my way to Iceland. This is the train we want. It goes to Wiesbaden Hauptbahnhof. It's the S9, and it says Flughafen Regionalbahnhof, but just like an abbreviation. And here's the train. It is 4:30 in the morning, so the train's pretty empty. Not a lot of people going out to the airport at this time of the day. So here we are at the Frankfurt Airport, and we have the signs up here saying to Terminal 1 and 2. We're in Terminal 1, we're going to go to 2. And this signboard will tell you where the flights are taken off from. Abflug, departures. This is the first lower level when you come up from the train station. And we need to head up this way. And up here tells you the A and Z for departures. We're at B, and down this way is C. Kind of pretty empty today. We're gonna go back to the SkyTrain. Well, the SkyTrain is out of order right now, and therefore could send that somewhere on the shuttle bus instead. Going to Terminal 2. So the bus got over here in just a couple minutes, and now we're gonna go through security. There is no line. Oh, this should go quick. Security went quick, took a couple minutes. You can see there's not very many people here. So now let's go and get some coffee and something to eat. Over here it's showing the gates, D21 to 49 or E21 to 26. I need 21, so I don't have to go very far, I think. Lots of duty free over here. This is my gate, D21. Eat a cigarette before you get on your flight. They've got a little smoking lounge here. So this is departures E, and there's nobody down here, so everybody's leaving from D today, it looks like. And there's a smoking lounge here too. On the plane, we made it to Terminal 2. Looks like it's gonna be punctual today. We got a beautiful sunrise. We had to ride the bus out here. This plane is really hot, so I'm glad I have on a really light bus. So thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. We'll see you in Iceland.